make violins for a living, and maybe that's the reason I think about music when I think about the world. It seems like over the last 8 years, our country has been sounding to other nations a lot like this. What happened on 9/11 was terrible, but name-calling, inventing stories about weapons of mass destruction, invading Iraq without letting peaceful inspections take their course has cost us billions of dollars and countless lives. We need someone as president who knows how to use the instrument of diplomacy, who has already promised to call a Middle Eastern summit as a first order of business, who understands that peace, not war, will lead us back to prosperity. John McCain and Sarah Palin talk about our enemies with an attitude that promotes more fear and more antagonism. But when I listen to Barack Obama and Joe Biden and hear about the dialogue they hope to begin with Pakistan, Iran, North Korea, and Palestine, it sounds a lot more like this. My name is Becky, and I support Barack Obama.